Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is a tutorial video for Raheeq Teachers on how to access their timesheets on Raheeq Drive. First, you need to log into your email. Open your browser and on your address bar, go enter gmail.com. Then you're going to enter your email, myraheeq.com email. It's going to ask you for your password. Please enter your password. Once the page, your email page is open, you're going to look at the top right corner. There's the 9 dots. Click on that. You're going to find the Drive icon. Click on Drive. Now this is your Drive page has opened. On the left there is a menu. You're going to find and click on Shared Drives. And then you're going to click on Raheeq Teachers. Then you're going to click on Teacher Timesheets folder. Then it's going to pop up a list of folders with names. Please find your name, click on it. Your Excel sheet for your timesheet will be in that folder. For this example, I'm just going to click on Example Teacher, and this is the Excel file. I'm going to right click and go under Open With and click on Google Sheets. Now this is your timesheet. At the bottom there are the tabs for the month from January all the way to December. Find your month and then enter your hours. Please enter your employee name. Enter your course name. And in these two columns, you've got the preparation time column, so you're going to enter the hours of preparation, and this column you have your teaching time. So enter your hours for different days. This green column is going to have your totals, and at the bottom is going to be your grand total for the month. Google Sheets will save your work automatically, so there's no need to save your work. This page does not have a save button because Google Sheets will do the saving automatically. Once you're done, you just go up to the tab and you can close your tab, and you can close your Drive tab, and you're back on your email page. If you have further questions, please email me at raheeq@info.ca. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala.